Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to shell script, where we will learn how we can remove the temporary files or the unnecessary file which is created by either you or by the system. Most probably the files would be there in this folder only for only one which is created by system, because we usually not create the temporary file. But in some situation, like you might have created any directory in the temporary folder, so whatever files present in their temp directory will be cleared with just single command. And that this is very important command. Although command is very short, it's just a one line command and it will do the file clearing, directory clearing, right? But the question is why we need that. What is the need of clearing data, temporary data? Just assume a scenario. There is one script which we are running frequently, and that file, that script is generating many temporary files in your temp folder. Okay, so in that case, what will happen? Like every time when you call the script, it will generate some temp data, and it will affect the storage, because every time if you are generating something, then it will for sure affect the storage, maybe in next couple of days, right? So just to secure or just to optimize the storage, what we can do, we can use one command that will clear out those temporary files. Okay. So this is the advantage. Like whenever you want to clear out all the temporary data, you can simply use the clear temporary file command, and it will help us to optimize the storage and to make the thing clear and precise. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, that a script is very simple. We just need to run one script and it will remove the data, right? But before that, the requirement is important. Like we should know what is the requirement, which folder it is impacting, how we can reach out to that folder. So these all things we are going to discuss in this session. So let's start the practical part. So here, first of all, we will write here work_lnk and will not hit enter this time. Why? Because I want to show you the temporary folder. So take F4 here on work_lnk, then here it will ask for object. So here instead of asterisk you can put slash. Asterisk means it will take you to the home slash your own directory, like slash home slash Sharmit. But this time I'm providing it as slash, so it will take me to the root directory. Fine, now we are in root directory. So from here we can take option 5 to go inside this directory, and now we will look for the directory which is temp. This is not the temporary directory, this is home which we always use, and below to this you can find that there is one directory which is temp directory. So you can take option 5 here, and this is the file which is called temp directory. Right now there is nothing in this folder because I have already executed the temp command, but when you are looking into this folder, you might see the data, some extra data here, because it contains the temporary files. Now we just discussed the location, so how to remove the data which is present there. Or maybe you can create one script and every time you will run once you are done with your project. So in that case you can create one script which I am going to show you with, which is very simple. So just simply write here work_lnk, enter. It will open work with object link screen. Now you can simply go to this abcd, sorry, not abcd, the directory which we always use, Sharmit, taking option 5 here. Then we have one file which is sharmit.sh. Remember, this file is a executable file, so whenever you want to run any script, then make sure that it is executable. And to make this shell script executable, you can use chmod command. If you don't know about this command, maybe you can refer the one of our previous session where we have already discussed like how we can create the directory executable, how we can make the directory executable by running the chmod command. So now I am taking option 2 because this file is already in executable mode, so I'm just taking option 2 here, and this is the script. At the moment we have just kept here the multi-line comment which is like this only. Here you can see presented by Sharmit, session is clrtmp shell script. So it is nothing but for the introduction purpose of the session and the presenter name. Now below to this we will use the actual command. So actual command is very simple. You just need to write here clrtmp and that's it. So this is the command itself. Okay, so you just need to write this one word clrtmp and it will clear your temporary files. Although command is okay, but still I would like to print some message after the command is completed so that user can get to know, yes, this is completed. So here we will write temp files is removed and just close it. So once this command is executed, it will show you this message temp file is removed, and it will give us the confirmation that yes, the command is executed successfully. Otherwise, like, it will just remove the data and it will not show anything. Okay, so just for that purpose I kept this line that temp files is removed. Now pressing F3 for save and F3 again for exit. We'll go to session B. Here we will write qsh and we need path of the script. So for that you can take option 5 and this is the path of our script. I always write it by myself because it's a good habit to always write your script path, so it will remind you everything in projects as well. So simply write here /home /Sharmit /text Sharmit .sh and enter. After keeping enter, you can see it is taking time, right? Otherwise, like, always we see that once we hit enter, it directly shows this dollar symbol or output. But this time, let me show you again. If I ran it again, you will see that it is taking some time, right? So the reason behind this time is that because it is removing those temporary files, so that's why it is taking time. And after removing it, it is just showing us the message that temp files is removed. Okay, so it is showing temp files is removed. So my question is is this command a case sensitive? Will it work if I try to write this in clrtmp in a capital? Let's see. So if I ran this again, you will see, yeah, still it is taking time. That means it is working as expected and providing us the message which is temp files is removed. Okay, so that means it is not a case sensitive as variables. We can use it in either small case or capital case, but I always recommend you to put everything in a small letters. It will make you a good habit, like it's a good habit for you, right? clrtmp F3 for save, F3 for exit. We'll go to session B and you can see it is still working the same. The reason why we are writing it everything in a small letter, because if you are writing in this way, like in that case there would be very less chance of writing variable in capital letters. So you can see it is removed. And now to verify your data in your directory, you can simply write here worklnk enter, and then sorry, not enter, worklnk F4, then we have slash enter 5, and then you will see there is a temp folder where it shows the directory. And one more thing I want to show you, that when we write like this worklnk /home /temp, there is one folder, but it okay, let me go with this only /home /temp. I think that is temp, not temp. Yeah, this is also a one folder, but when you take option 5, it will not show you the authority because we don't have authority with it. But overall thing is that cleartemp is used to clear the temporary memories from your system. So always use it wisely. Like, if you don't want to remove the data, then please don't use it, and always practice this thing on your own system or test system, not on the main system. Okay, so let's quickly see what when we want to run this through CL program, how to do this. So work mbrpdm. Here you will find the program run qsh hash, taking option 2. So this program is to running shell script using CL. Take DCL, provide variable name, type storage length, chgvar, take F4, variable name and script of the file. Then you can simply write strqsh, provide variable name, and it will execute the script which is present in this path. and after compiling it, calling it, you will say that it is also taking time because we are just clearing the command, right, using the command. So you can see now it printed the message. This is the latest one, this is the older one. Temp files is removed. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the clrtmp command in order to clear the temporary data. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare.